Guys, what's up? We're here in the sunshine city of Portmore. I'm not taking a break, I'm not at lunch, I'm just here meditating on all of the freeness that we give away. We give you one free coupon to ship your first item for free so you can try us taste and buy style. And then we give you 4 free shipping coupon. Once you remember, you don't have to pay for it. Not now, not ever. It's just free to you as a member, right? I'm also meds in the fact that we allow you to combine your items. So if you have small items, we allow you to combine them, ship them for you, and charge you one simple rate. All of the good things we do. We just there at chill. How you doing? Sunshine City Portmore. Kind of cool now. It's kind of overcast. Of course, you know us. We're your friendly shipping company that allows you to buy your items from overseas and we ship it and then we bring it come to your yard. And if you have chair at your yard front, we're going to come sit down too and rest your foot. Alright guys, we have a link on the screen or there is a link in the description box. Go ahead, click that link, join us today. Allow us to serve you, allow us to come to your yard and sit down on a big bench. Draw a big bench.